Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Bootstrap the practical way. Today we're going to set up for Notepad++. I have my browser here and I also have Notepad++ here. The first thing we're going to do now, do not worry. Almost the process is the same like we have been doing in Visual Studio, and same we shall be doing in Sublime Text. So I'm going to go to File and then choose Open Folder as Workspace and then look for that folder of mine. Okay, so I'm going to the www folder. Okay, and then I look for, so Win60 for www, I look for me.com, click OK. Alright, so inside the CSS, I've added an empty folder called min, and I've also created a new folder JS, and I've added an empty folder called min. Now, what we're going to do into these mins, we're going to add the offline bootstrap. Now, remember in the beginning, we learned from the bootstrap CDN. We learned how to use the bootstrap CDN. Now we're going to be using the offline bootstrap. All right. So how do you get that? You have to go to getbootstrap.com and then you choose to download the minified version, or you can even go to Google and then you type download bootstrap mini, all right, the compiled version. So meaning if you're offline, you can continue learning our lessons the usual way. All right, so let's do that. So I'm going to look for those minified versions. Okay, so I'll first tap this. You see the extension is CSS. So double click, and this is how it will look like, and this is version 4.1, okay, 0.3, and then another. So this is the JS file. All right, so I'm going to copy this, copy, and then I paste in the JS file. Okay, JS mini, and then I do the same for CSS. Okay, have I copied? Okay, I'm going to copy this. Okay, cut, sorry, this is the CSS. I'm going to cut. Okay, and then take it to CSS min, and then I paste it there. Okay, so they're named.min. What I'm going to do, I'm going to rename them so that they just be bootstrap. So that will be a .css, and then this one for JS, also bootstrap.js. All right, so after that, I'm going to load our me.com and to see how it looks like. Me.com. All right, and we'll see how it looks like. We're going to load me.com by doing localhost, okay, stroke me.com. All right, so there we are, and we have issues already. So what are we supposed to do? We're supposed to link our bootstrap. Okay, so we're going to come back to our index.html, and then we go up in the header, and then we start linking. Now we have these that are online, and what I've done, I've turned off my internet so that we use the ones that are offline. So the first thing we're going to link is this, is the CSS, the bootstrap for the CSS. Okay, so remember to disable them when you're online, because it may cause issues. All right, so we're going to do CSS and then stroke min stroke bootstrap, okay, .css, bootstrap.css. okay, so let me save that and then refresh. Okay, so you can see everything is like in our previous video, just because of this offline bootstrap. I'm also going to do the same for the script. All right, so I'm going to do, this will be script, okay, and then what kind of script? So the source for the script, okay. One thing I hate about Notepad++ is there is no autocomplete, but it's one thing, it is light, it can go on good. Anyway, it depends on what you use, but it is light for me. It can go on almost every software. So let me see. Okay, sometimes I need to minimize this so that we have enough working space. Okay, so I've pressed Control and I'm doing the mouse wheel so that I enlarge this or widen this so that you can see everything that I'm typing. All right, so I'm going to type again. That is going to be under JS, okay, JS stroke min stroke bootstrap.js. Now we haven't started working on the JS yet, but the JS is very good for, especially for small animations like flipping and whatsoever. All right, so we're good to go. Thank you for setting this up. Let's get together in the next video.